What is going on, guys, and welcome back to yet another video. You know what, just to start right off, I wanna apologize you guys for yet another video without the car. It's been horrible, man. I really want the car back and stuff, but I have another unboxing for you guys. This thing feels freaking so wobbly. I need another tripod for this thing. Alright guys, so like I said, this is gonna be just like another unboxing video. Sorry for my crazy hair, I just got a shower and I just let it dry or whatever. But I got a package in the mail right now for the car. And I've always been on the fence about this one, but I got it for a good deal, so you guys are gonna see exactly what I'm talking about right now. So without further ado, man, let's just get started unboxing this thing. The guy I bought it off of, Camden Wheatley, I hope that's how you pronounce your name, bro. Thank you so much for the package. Thank you so much for the hookup. He said he included something a little special in there that will come in handy with the car, so I'm extremely excited to see what he put in there. He didn't tell me, so let's just get right into it, guys, and let's start unboxing this thing. Alright guys, so here we go. I'm trying not to give you guys a huge crop shot, but this is the big old package right here, as you guys can tell. So without further ado, man, let's just get started cutting this thing open. Real quick, while I'm doing this, guys, I want to thank y'all so much. 1,800 subscribers. It's pretty crazy. My knife is so dull from using it at work, but yeah, man, 1,800 subscribers is so amazing. Thank you guys enough. I never thought I would have like this many of you guys, you know, supporting me and watching the channel. So I just want to thank you guys so much for that. Times have been rough lately, getting money for the car and you know, wanting the car out in so short of time, you know. I'm just trying to deal with what I got for now, buying parts, you know, trying to entertain you guys at the same time. It's not really cheap, you guys. So here we go, right here. I'm stoked to see what's in here. Oh, I guess it's 2 boxes. You guys can tell right there what it is. It's a Raxium box. I don't see what else he included. I hope maybe it's at the bottom or in one of these boxes. Alright, well, there's nothing else in the box, so let's just open up the box with the lights. Maybe they're in here or whatever he's shipped out. For the vlog, man, this is the first piece of note or anything I've ever got from one of you guys. This is pretty exciting, man. This is crazy right here, man. So let's just read this real quick. For the vlog. Here we go. Hey bro, figured I'd throw in these two 96 and 98 steering rack bushings, never taken out of the package. Can't wait to see the install of those lights. Hopefully when I get my Mach 1, we can collab one day. See Wheatley vlogs. So I guess he does have a vlog channel. I will leave his link definitely for sure. Steering rack bushings, man, that is so crazy that you ship these out, because you know, I'm not sure if you guys have seen that other video of my car, but I'm pretty sure it's the ball joints. If not, it was the steering rack bushings. So I was gonna actually buy those too. So man, thank you so much, bro. Wow. Steeda steering rack bushings right here. Thank you so much, bro. That means so much to me. Like, you don't have to do that, man. Like, he already hooked me up with these lights, and they're brand new in the box. Here's the other rack bushing right here. Oh my goodness. Check these things out. Yeah, they're brand new in the box. Like, I don't think he's ever been opened these. And it comes with the sequential harness. I thought you had to buy the harness with it, but I guess it comes with it. That's pretty cool. So let's just get these lights out of here, you guys. I want to check them out. I've never, actually, I'm lying. Whoa. Oh, I guess there's 4 steering rack bushings. Yeah, all of them are. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. And I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to get this light back in here. How they have this thing so assembled so nicely in here. Let's check it out, you guys. You ready? Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow. These are gorgeous. I'm not gonna lie. These are actually really gorgeous. These look freaking huge though. maybe it's because I haven't seen the car in a while, but yeah, man, these look freaking huge. Okay, so the thing is with these lights, man, I actually do not like the way they look right now. Okay, the thing that I've seen about these that actually made me pull the trigger on these lights is, you see the black surrounding around the red. Usually I've seen some people paint match these to their color of their car, so they look kind of like a factory light, but you can still see the red a little bit. You know what I'm saying? The red isn't too red, but it's kind of tinted. You know what I'm saying? But okay, this is the plan for this. I'm going to be paint matching the black outside and leaving the red. So basically it'll look like a stock taillight, but then when you flick them on, that's when the big difference we'll see. I might throw them on just for shits and giggles, just to see what they look like black like this. I got a great deal on these, man. I got $100 off, and they are freaking brand new in the box. So I want to see what they look like on the car, what they look like turned on and everything like that. I'm pretty sure I'm going to paint match them because I have some other things I need to. Cobra mirrors, but yeah, man, I have some other stuff I need to paint match, so this will go along with that. I am stoked, you guys. I'm so stoked. I guess the bulbs that go in there, oh, I guess they're just the regular I guess it's just the regular bulbs that go in here. So I guess the LED trim, this is the only thing that's LED. I guess these inside are regular bulbs, and the reverse lights are how do you say it? LED also. So yeah, man, this is gonna give it that new retro styling look, or modern style, whatever you want to say it. The 13 and 14 GTs with the sequential, obviously, and the lights around. These look pretty cool, man. I can't wait to put these on the car and see what they look like. Big shout out to Camden Wheatley. C Wheatley Vlogs, man. Big shout out to you, bro. Thank you so much for these extra added parts. Like I said again, you did not have to do that, man. Thank you so much. These are freaking amazing, you guys. Man, just another one, another video for the books, you guys. I'm not sure when this video is going to be going out, but my girlfriend bought me a lot of stuff for Christmas, so I'm not sure if this one's going to go out first or the Christmas one. So if you guys are watching this, Merry Christmas, you guys. Christmas is right around the corner, or just passed whenever I posted this video up. So Merry Christmas, you guys. I hope you guys had an awesome one. I know I'm going to be having an awesome one. It's gonna be pretty awesome. But yeah, man. That's gonna be it for the vlog. For the new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for all the continued support again. These are the new lights that are gonna be going on the Mustang, man. Just stay tuned, man. So much stuff is gonna be happening to this car, you guys. You're not gonna want to miss out. So yeah, thank you guys so much as always. Thank you guys for all the support. Please drop a like if you guys enjoyed it, and leave a comment and subscribe if this is your first time viewing. My name is Chris. Mustang videos here all the time, man. We're on the build up of a 2-valve, and we're gonna be hurting some feelings with this car, man. So hurting some feelings and looking good at the same time, because you know, when you're gonna be baptizing people, you know what I'm saying, you gotta have them look at something nice, bro. So these taillights are gonna look nice when you're behind me, you know what I'm saying? So without further ado, guys, thank y'all so much again. We'll see y'all next time. It's your boy 4.6 Chris. We're out, boys. Peace.